Comprehensive space heaters comparison. Electric space heaters are indispensable for providing targeted warmth in homes, offices, and other indoor spaces during colder months. They offer energy-efficient heating solutions, particularly for smaller rooms or areas where central heating may not be practical. In this review, we evaluated 5 electric space heaters, ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. Our methodology included assessing heating performance. On list number, the GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater is an affordable and compact option designed for small spaces. It offers 2 heat levels, 1500 watts and 750 watts, and a fan-only mode, making it versatile for year-round use. With its thermostat control, the heater cycles on and off to maintain a consistent temperature. Safety features such as tip-over protection and an overheat shutoff system ensure peace of mind, while its lightweight build and carry handle enhance portability. During testing, the GiveBest heater performed well in heating rooms up to 200 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms or small offices. The noise level, at under 45 decibels, is quiet enough for nighttime use. However, the lack of advanced features like oscillation or a remote control limits its functionality compared to higher-end models. It's a reliable choice for users seeking a simple, cost-effective heating solution. List number 2. The Iaper Space Heater is the most budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering 3 heat settings: low, medium, high, and a fan-only mode. Its PTC ceramic heating technology ensures quick and even heat distribution, while the adjustable thermostat allows for personalized comfort. Safety is prioritized with overheat protection and a tip-over shutoff mechanism. The compact design and ergonomic handle make it easy to move between rooms. In real-world use, the Iaper heater excelled in heating smaller spaces, though its 150 square feet coverage is less than other models. The 3 heat settings provide flexibility, but the absence of a digital display or remote control makes adjustments less convenient. It's a solid choice for users on a tight budget who need a basic portable heater for small areas. List number 3. The DRO Space Heater model DRH-SH004G is a mid-range option packed with features. It boasts 70-degree oscillation, a programmable thermostat 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, a 12-hour timer, and 5 operating modes, including an energy-saving eco mode. Designed for spaces up to 200 square feet, it heats quickly and evenly using PTC ceramic technology. Safety features include tip-over and overheat protection, along with flame-retardant materials. This DRO model stood out for its quiet operation, as low as 37.5 dB, and user-friendly design, including a remote control and LED display. The oscillation feature ensures even heat distribution, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or small living rooms. While it's slightly more expensive than entry-level models, the added features and performance justify the price for users seeking a balance of functionality and affordability. List more. The 2024 upgraded DRO Space Heater offers enhanced safety and performance features at a competitive price. Its Hyperamix PTC system provides rapid heating, while the tilt detection sensor and flame-retardant materials ensure reliability. The heater includes a digital thermostat, a 12-hour timer, and a child lock, along with a remote control for added convenience. It is designed for rooms up to 200 square feet. This model impressed with its quiet operation, 34 dB, and precise temperature control, which allows adjustments in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. The inclusion of a child lock and advanced safety features makes it a great option for families. However, its tower design may not suit users with limited floor space. Overall, it's a well-rounded, affordable option for those prioritizing. List number. The premium DRO Space Heater, model DRHS-H03, is designed for users seeking top-tier performance and features. It offers 70-degree oscillation, a programmable thermostat 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, a 12-hour timer, and 5 modes, including Echo. With a sleek tower design and a powerful 1500 W heating element, it quickly warms spaces up to 200 square feet. Safety features include ETL certification, tip-over protection, and a 24-hour automatic shutoff. This heater excelled in all performance metrics, including rapid heating, quiet operation, 40 dB, and even heat distribution. The remote control and touchscreen interface make it easy to use, while the energy-efficient Eco mode helps reduce electricity costs. Although it's the most expensive model in this comparison, its robust feature set and premium build quality make it worth the investment for users with larger rooms or higher performance.